Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today we have a 143 scale model, and this one is a Greenlight, and it is from a movie, I think. It says Greenlight Hollywood, so I'm not familiar with this. The Greatest American Hero, is it that a movie or is it a show? It does say something here on the back. I did read it, but I still don't understand. So I mainly got this because, well, out of the car, I didn't care from where it was, as long as there was nothing on it that from where it was. But yeah, 143. Nothing more. It's 2019 is when this was made, and let's just get it opened. I'm not going to keep this plastic anyway. I'm just going to keep the acrylic box for transportation purposes, and yeah, so okay, that is that, not needed. So it is glued, so hopefully no issues or whatever. Right now I'm not seeing any, so it looks it's gonna be fine. So yeah, this acrylic casing. Yeah, let's get it off the base, because for now everything looks nice and fine. And I still want to see it more closer. There we go. Because I do display my models loose, no matter what scale. So I have some dust here and there, but that is absolutely fine. For now, the model looks fine. Let's see what type of screwdriver I need. Looks like a tiny one, same as the 164 scale cars. I have this small one. Actually, this little screwdriver from M2 that I got, like, this is coming very in handy, because the small screwdrivers that I have are all like already like done for or whatever, and I'll keep forgetting to get a new one. So here's our Dodge Monaco. So we have the dual headlights that are vertically. We have a separate piece for the grille bumper. The tires are rubber, metal top with a plastic base. I think that's the code number or whatever that is. I don't know. Serial number. Maybe it's like which model it is, but I don't know how out of how many. So yeah, there's the deeds for the back. These the mirrors are plastic, but they're very sturdy for now. At least looks like it. Interior is somewhat similar to the exterior, at least color-wise. A very cool four-door. I've been always wanting this as a 164, but I have never gotten one. I think I know that there is one from Greenlight, I think, but like I said, never seen it, never had the chance to get it, so I'll just take 143 then. And this was the closest thing, and I'm actually really liking this guy. Oh, the note stop. It has a bit of a wobble to it, because I noticed, because it was been screwed to the base too much, and you can see it looks like it has like a slightly flat tire. For that, I think goes for all of the wheels, at least for the backs definitely. Yeah, it's for the backs. The back wheels have been like screwed too much to the base, and it has gotten like this slightly like soft tire. So when I roll it, you can actually hear, and when I'm rolling it, I can see the back bouncing. But hopefully that will, but like come out on its own, maybe not. But luckily for me, like I said, it will be sitting in my display anyway. So there you have it, the Dodge Monaco from 1978. Had to look that up. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.